The air pollution. We all are quite accustomed with the very concepts of air pollution. So not going into the very greater details, we shall discuss the overview of actually what air pollution is. Because air pollution is something that we can feel, we can experience, and there is no need of giving you definitions for air pollution. When the air is getting unwanted substances more enough, that is causing breathing a problem, then it will be called as air pollution. Because we all need air for respiration and breathing. When that air which is meant for our breathing and respiration is not fit enough because of the presence of unwanted particles, we will call that air is polluted. Am I clear? Now, what is causing this air pollution? Mainly the burning of fossil fuels, or say only fuels, is causing the air pollution at the highest. That is coal or petroleum. Coal or petroleum combustion. The coal or petroleum combustion releases nitrogen and sulfur, which when reacts with oxygen present in the air to form nitrogen and sulfur oxides. So what is the chain? The fossil fuels or this coal and petroleum, when they are getting burned, combustion or burned, they are releasing nitrogen and sulfur. The nitrogen and sulfur is reacting with oxygen present in the air and forming nitrogen and sulfur oxides. These nitrogen and sulfur oxides cause pollution in two ways. The first way is by acid rain. What is this acid rain? This acid rain means when the nitrogen and sulfur oxides react with the water droplets of the cloud, they makes the rain acidic. That is, they makes the water acidic, and that causes immense involvement of this poisonous water into our day-to-day life. Say for example, it is being predicted that the color of Taj Mahal is getting disturbed by the acid rain. And how the second way they are getting disturbed? They are causing suspended particles like unburnt carbon. This unburnt carbon present in this burning of fossil fuels causes suspension of the unburnt particles of carbon. Okay, the unburnt particles of the carbon do not get mixed with the air present in our atmosphere. Instead, what happens? These unburnt carbons, which are also called hydrocarbons, causes smog formation. What is this smog formation? During the time of cold weather, the air present in our atmosphere condense, and when they condense, they form fog. Okay, we see fog formation during cold weather. The condensation of the air in very low temperature causes fog formation. And these hydrocarbons react with this fog to form smog. And this smog makes our visibility totally devastating in the winter time. And we cannot see anything clearly. So what is it happening? When the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur is formed, it is causing environmental pollution by two processes: acid rain, making the rainwater pernicious for the survival of living organisms by lowering down the pH, and second is by releasing suspended particles like unburnt carbons or hydrocarbon, which when react with the fog, that is condensation of water during cold weather, causing smog formation, disturbing our visibility. Our visibility is getting disturbed. Along with that, there are many other reasons for air pollution. Release of chlorofluorocarbons or CFC from our refrigerators, from our air conditioners, and that is causing hole in the ozone, we shall discuss in the latter part of this chapter. Some other way that is causing air pollution is by the extreme release of carbon dioxide due to the automobile industries as well as various other chemical industries. There are another reason for air pollution is mass killing of the trees is causing disbalance in the level of oxygen and releasing more and more of carbon dioxide. So air pollution has many reasons, among which these two are worth to be taught. Rest you can very well understand from your day-to-day life, like cutting of trees, release of chlorofluorocarbons, burning of petrol, and even the steamer burning in the river is causing the air pollution or water pollution as well. Now, what are the bad effects or what are the degradable effects of air pollution on us? Air pollution causes cancer, air pollution causes allergy, air pollution causes breathing problem, because every time we are inhaling this poisonous air, it is causing damage to us. So now, it is a responsibility of we future citizens to shoulder this duty and try to reduce air pollution in our environment as much as possible by planting more trees, by letting use of CNGs, that is compressed natural gas, which do not produce such suspended particles of unburnt carbon. So with this, we complete the first section of this chapter, that is air.